What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing an exhaust tip on the 4Runner. Let's get to it. So this is the DC Sports Stealth Series exhaust tip. Nothing fancy. This is on Amazon for roughly 20-25 bucks. You want to check the price, you can see the link in the description. It's just a bolt-on tip that you're going to put on your existing exhaust pipe. I'm not really interested in a full replacement or a catback right now. Just something simple to get that exhaust tip black, because right now it's looking a little rough. Trying to clean the look up on the rear. So reviews on it were pretty solid. It's, you know, for 20 bucks, I mean, you can't expect a whole lot, but people say that it changes the tone of the exhaust slightly. I'm pretty skeptical about that, but we'll find out for ourselves today. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it on. Alright guys, so the exhaust tip is on. Looks pretty good. We installed it so there's just enough gap between the bumper and the tip. You don't want that to rub against each other. And the sound is negligible. I think there's a slight difference, but I can't really tell. That's really not the reason why I got it. If you want better sound for your vehicle, go with a full exhaust system or catback or something like that. But for an inexpensive solution for just giving you a black exhaust tip, I think this is a solid option. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We will see you on the next video.